Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your BMW i3 in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface. It's crucial that the ignition is switched on and the car is ready to drive. Throughout this process, you'll need to keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal for safety. This guide will help you prepare your i3 for situations like a car wash or short-distance towing. With your foot still firmly on the brake pedal, locate the gear selector on the steering column. You'll need to press the P button, which stands for Park, on the selector. This step ensures the parking brake is engaged, providing stability and security for your vehicle before you attempt to shift into neutral. It's a vital safety measure. Now, while continuing to hold the brake pedal down, gently push the gear selector forward, towards the R or reverse position. Hold the selector in this forward position for about 2 seconds. You will then see the letter N appear on your instrument cluster, confirming that your BMW i3 is now successfully in neutral. To exit neutral and return to park, simply press the P button on your gear selector again. Remember, neutral should only be used for very short periods, such as when going through an automatic car wash or for brief repositioning. It is extremely important never to leave your BMW i3 unattended while it is in neutral for safety reasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.